Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new Valorant video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to check if you are banned from chat in Valorant. So, first of all, guys, I will pretty simply need you to just go ahead and open the game. So just open the game and get into your chat. So basically, before we get into this explanation or this tutorial, I will need you guys to know that Valorant actually bans you in a specific chat. So if you did something bad in, like, for example, the game chat, they will ban you only from the game chat itself. So for example, you said something bad in the general chat, like in the all chat, they will only ban you from the all chat, but you can still type in your party chat and you can still chat with your friends and with your teammates. So how you can check on each chat if you are banned or not, that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. First of all, guys, for the first time when you will get banned on anything, for example, on the game itself, your account, or even the chat, they will first, when you open the game, they will tell you that you have got a ban. So they will tell you a specific reason why. They will give you a screenshot of your text that you said, and they will tell you how long they will ban you for. Now, let's say that you didn't see this message and you ignored it or something like that, and you want to know if you are banned or not. First of all, if you want, for example, to this party chat, just type whatever you'd like. So type whatever. If your message has been sent, that means you are not banned in the party chat. Now, let's check if you are banned with friends. So click now on tab and then type your friend name. So here we go. And here I will type something like so. As you can see, I'm not banned as well. Now let's try something else, which is going into a game, and I'm going to try to write something in my team chat and then in the all chat. So let's check if you are banned. So basically, the only way to check if you are banned or not, guys, is by sending the message and then see if the message is actually going to be sent or not. So now I'm going to send it in my team chat. Here we go. I'm not banned, and now in the all chat. And as you can see, I'm not banned. So yeah, guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.